So today I'm gonna be making a video on how to do your makeup when you have pitted scars or ice pick scars on your face. I'm fresh out of the shower, so you can tell my skin is bare right now and you could see my scars really bad. And then I have hormonal acne on my neck and jaw. Let me see if I could get better, just so you guys can really see how my skin looks. I have really bad blackheads on my nose as well. But I just wanted to make this video I don't know, I just don't see many people on YouTube that have really bad scarring on their faces, and I just want to make this video to show you that you can look good with scars. And I know it's hard because I fucking hate my face, but with makeup I hate it a little less. So I already moisturized and everything. I'm just gonna be putting my hair up. This is my baby Penny. She's sunbathing right now. So, the way I usually start my routine, I don't put primer on or anything like that, because I notice that when I do use primer, even anything that's like for oily skin, my skin is oily, but it's also sensitive, it makes my face even more oily and my makeup comes off quicker. And we all know that if you have oily skin, your makeup comes off so quickly. Mine will last Penny, get your nose out of the way. Mine will last maybe 3 hours before it starts looking oily and slick. It's not cute, not a look. So I just go straight in with my makeup. I use the Infallible Pro Matte. This is the only one that works for my skin and stays matte the longest. I am color 099. I think that's like the whitest color they make, but it works so well. I never put it directly on my skin because that just doesn't work for me. Oh god, this is gonna be a really bad color match in this lighting probably. But how I start it is I start on my nose, because baby, get your nose out of the way. When it comes to my pores are super large, and if I just start with the beauty blender, it won't cover up my pores. So then it sits on top of my pores and it looks like, I don't know, it like accentuates my pores even more, and I hate that. So this is my first step always is around my nose, like where the pores are the worst, and like in this area right here they're super bad. Let's see. Hello, my baby. So I'm gonna just do that, and that covers up most of my pores in that area. And then I just go in with the rest of it. And I like full coverage makeup because, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but people that have larger pores, I don't know. I can't really do the light makeup look, because if I just, like how people will just put concealer on or something, it just looks really white in one area and then really red on the rest of my face. So you could tell where I put makeup on. It just doesn't work for me, and it looks really bad. But I've had acne I started getting acne when I was like 9 or 10. I was really young. And it was really hard because it got really, really bad really fast. And I started seeing dermatologists, and nothing worked for me. I remember they prescribed me like this cold cream once, and it seriously like burned my face off. It burned so bad. I was like jumping up and down. And then my skin started peeling. It was really red. It was gross. And I was like super insecure because I had really bad acne, and on top of that, my skin was peeling like crazy. So I just kept trying new things. The doctor kept prescribing me new things. I even tried like acne pills. It wasn't Accutane. I never tried Accutane. I don't know why the doctor never tried that on me. I know it's like really popular now, and my acne was bad enough for them to want to try that out for me. But I tried acne pills, and they made me really sick. I had to eat something with them, but when I was taking them, I completely lost my appetite. I didn't want to eat, so I stopped taking them, and I felt better after. But the only thing that worked for me, and I wouldn't say worked to an extent because I still had really bad acne, that they prescribed me was Retin-A, and that kind of did a little good to my face. The acne kind of went down a little bit, but it was still pretty bad. But the only thing that worked for real, like seriously, it cleared up my face like this. Like within one night, I swear on my life. I remember I was like 17, and I tried diluted tea tree oil. And the next day, I remember my dad, I wasn't allowed to wear makeup at that point, and my dad thought I was wearing makeup, and he was like about to yell at me. But I wasn't, and it made me so happy because it just like completely just got rid of my acne. It was so wild, and I still use that to this day. I have body acne and stuff, so I'll spray it on my body. But the only thing with that is like I feel like it's a popular thing, people use it, but you have to dilute it. Like if you don't dilute it, never forget your ears. If you don't dilute it, it could really burn your skin and like hurt you because it's an essential oil and it's really concentrated. But it worked so well for me, and I love it. It's the only thing that really helped with my acne. But obviously, I mean, I was 17, so it was a little too late for my skin, and I ended up with really bad scarring, and now I'm left with a face full of scars, but I've learned to live with it. And it's not that I'm like used to it, because you never are used to it. Like I still cry a lot about it, but it's better now. It's not as bad as it used to be, and I'm trying things from like The Ordinary and different stuff for scarring and hydration and stuff. Oh my god, I live in an apartment and everyone around me is so quiet right now. I feel like they could hear me because I hear when the people next door to me talk. So this is really weird, and it's really funny because they're always loud at night, but during the day they're really quiet. So next I use concealer under my eyes. I use Naked by Urban Decay, the color Fair Warm. This is the shit. I love it. It doesn't like go into my scars at all, which is nice. And it's very mattifying. if this is just me, but I feel like a finished makeup look on me never looks really good because I look really powdery. It takes like an hour for it to look okay. And I don't even use that much powder either. Next step is to clean off my eyebrows and my ring and my lips from foundation. It takes a little bit for me to do my eyebrows, so I'll come back after I do them. These are my brows. Oof. They look so bad. Oh no. This one really got fucked up. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. My hand slipped and she's ugly. She's the ugly twin for sure. So a tip when doing your eyeliner, I found that the only way that works for me to get a really good wing is to, do the line, make sure they match up, and then go from the outside in. Going out this way, they never came out the same for me. I think I saw it in like a YouTube video, someone do it that way, and I did it. It was magical. It's the only way that works. I'll show you without my glasses too so you could see it a little better. Just wanted to say at the end of the video that I'm gonna start making videos like this because it's really hard to find people with legitimate scarring on their face on YouTube and stuff. Like, I have found a few, and it's nice to see people with active acne making videos and stuff just to normalize it, but I don't see a lot of people with scars as bad as mine, and I know there's a lot of people out there that have scarring. I see it on Reddit all the time, and it's just, I don't know, I just want to normalize it. It's okay, it happens, and we just have to live with it, and it doesn't make you less beautiful, it doesn't make you less valid, and I don't know, like, I just want to normalize the fact that it is so fucking hard to have scars and to see all these people with clear skin, and to even think in your head sometimes, like, I would rather have active acne that goes away without scarring than have no acne and have these constant scars, because at least with acne you can cover it up, and it just, I don't know, like, having scars really sucks, and it really sucks that I've been even called a catfish before by someone because in my pictures, I do not edit my pictures, but in certain lighting and stuff, like even just turning my head like this, you can't really see my scarring, even putting my hair in my face like this. And it just looks so bad when I turn this way. But it just makes you feel like shit when you hear stuff like that, because it's not like I'm disgusting with scars. It's just scarring. And, I go through those days where, oh my God, like, I hate myself. I used to cry in the mirror for hours because of this. And it just really sucks. So I just want to be that person where, I can talk about it freely, and hopefully there will be people out there that see me on YouTube that also have scarring that can ask me questions or give me advice and stuff. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video, and Let me know if you guys want to see me do anything else in particular, my skincare routine, anything like that. But thank you for watching.